While most electric clocks, and certainly battery-operated clocks, are too new and too common to be of interest to clock collectors, there's early electrically powered clocks which can be quite valuable and quite interesting to collect and to own. Good book here, 150 Years of Electric Horology, tells us a lot about some of those early ones if you need a background lesson on some of these things. But just to see what we have here, a Eureka clock. Again, a lot of these are mechanical clocks which are somehow helped along by electricity. In this case, an English clock from about 1906. This giant balance wheel rotates slowly and is impulsed by a battery. In this bar clock, similar to its predecessor, known as a pool clock. Again, a ticking clock, but sort of the opposite of a regular clock powered by electricity, where the power is coming from the movement to swing the pendulum. In this case, the pendulum is swinging back and forth, impulsed by electricity and magnetism, which then powers the clock from the pendulum. Certainly, we then would advance to plug-in clocks. Again, most are too new to be interesting, but there are early ones, particularly by the Hammond Company, which, keep in mind, we're not self-starting too. If the power stopped, you'd have to restart these. But in addition to being a nice quality early electric motor, you'll see in this case this is also a calendar clock. So early electrics, pretty rare, sometimes hard to make work, but definitely worth collecting if you have an interest in that direction.